Hi everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to another video. So I'm just going to hop right in. So I'm starting off by cutting down my nails to a shorter length. So I'm using my Texas Tornado drill bit for this, and I'm going to cut down all of the nails and also remove the top coat. After I'm done taking off the top coat and cutting on the nails to my desired length, I'm going to take a hand file and refine the shape. So I'm using an 80/80 grit hand file for this. So I'm just using a lint-free wipe and some alcohol to remove all of the dust from each of the nails. Since I didn't need a fill, I'm going to just do a redesign. So I'm taking some jet black gel polish, and this is the liquid vinyl from the Gel Effects brand. And I'm going to apply that to my ring finger and cure this for 60 seconds. For my ring finger, I'm going to apply this white gel polish, and this is the Arctic Freeze from Gelish. So I'm going to apply a thin layer of this and then cure this for 60 seconds as well. and also my thumbnail, I'm going to apply this yellow gel polish, and it's from the brand Elite99, and the color is 90513. I'm going to apply this olive green color. It didn't have a name on it, so I'm not sure what brand it is, but any olive green polish will do. And then I'm going to cure this as well for another 60 seconds. Now that I have the first layer of each color applied, I'm going to go in and apply a second layer to each of the nails with the corresponding colors. For the yellow nails, I believe I did 3 layers just because the color of the nail was a little bit darker and I wanted to make sure it was covered completely. So since we're in the back to school season, I decided to go with that theme. So I just have a palette full of acrylic paints, and on my middle finger I'm going to do the ABC for the blackboard. The brush that I'm using is a small detailer brush. I'm not sure where it was purchased from because it was gifted to me, but I'm pretty sure you can find these on like eBay or Amazon. So for my pinky, it is also going to be a chalkboard, but instead of doing the ABC, I'm just going to do a math equation. So I'm going to do the 1, 2, 3. Now my one came out a little bit too thick, so you'll see me remove that and take it off. With it being acrylic paint on top of gel polish, I can easily remove the design if I mess up and just start over. So for my index finger, I'm going with a pencil theme. So I'm taking that detailer brush and some red acrylic paint, and I'm going to paint the tip of my finger red for the eraser. While my index finger is drying, I'm going to move over to my ring finger. So I'm just cleaning off my brush and taking some blue acrylic paint and making horizontal lines across my ring finger because that's going to be my notebook design. While that's drying, I'm going to move back to my index finger and I'm going to take that silver acrylic paint and I'm going to create the metal band that separates the eraser from the pencil. While that's drying, I'm going to move over to my thumb, and this one is going to be a ruler. So I'm just doing small lines, and then I'll do a long line and then 2 small lines, and just repeat this down the side of the nail. Next to each long line, I'm going to do a number. So I'm going to do the 1, 2, 3. You'll see me mess up on the numbers, and I'll wipe it off and start over. As I mentioned, with it being acrylic paint and a gel surface, I can just wipe off where I messed up and then just do it over again. So moving back to my ring finger, I'm going to take that red acrylic paint and that detailing brush, and I'm going to do a line down the side of the nail. So I decided to remove some of the blue lines just to make it look a little bit more realistic. So I'm going to take that red acrylic paint and just continue dragging that down the side of the nail. I'm also going to do a grade on this paper, so I'm just going to put an A+ on the opposite side. Now that I have all of the designs done, I'm just going to go back and just deepen up the red of my eraser and let the nails air dry before going in and top coating these. So for the top coat, I decided to use the Ugly Ducklings matte top coat. So I'm going to apply 2 layers of this, curing in between each layer. Now that the nails are done curing, I'm just going to take a lint-free wipe and some alcohol and rub this across each of the nails to reveal the matte finish. So these are the finished results. So I'm just going to add some cuticle oil to each of my fingers and rub that in. I really hope that you all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.